Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a ROG Phone 8 Pro and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, so let's simply tap on it and then tap on the 3-dot icon in the right upper corner. If you want to have a really fast and really quick cleaning, simply tap on Clear Browsing Data, and as you can see here you can remove cookies, cache and other site data, and for example the listed websites from last 15 minutes or all time. However, I'd like to show you a little bit more complicated maybe clearing to remove really advanced browsing data. So 3-dot icon and tap on the history instead of clear browsing data. And as you can see there, we've got the list of all previously visited websites, and if you want to you can remove them one by one manually, for example like that. But let's be honest, if in your case this list is really long, then I highly recommend to tap on Clear Browsing Data. Here we've got some basic options which appeared in the previous way of removing the data, so the browsing history, cookies and site data, and cache images and files. However, here we've got also this advanced settings, this advanced section, so saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked, and you can change the time range from last 15 minutes to, for example, even all time. It's up to you, just choose it and tap on Clear Data. And as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.